Yes, ready and start. It is not out of place to mention that in most of the writ petitions, a mention has been made about the special leave petition having been admitted by the Supreme Court and various writ petitions also having been admitted to hearing by the Supreme Court and thus, this court also admitted the present writ petitions and granted the order of status quo with regard to the possession in all these cases. Stop para. Reference to the full bench was made as per order of the division bench in case of Roshnara Begum versus Union of India in CWP number 701/81 on April 10, 1981, mentioning that in some of the cases the proceedings for giving the awards commenced in 1976 to 77 and the awards were made in the year 1980-81 and in some of the cases, proceedings for giving the awards were yet to be commenced and notices have been issued under sections 9 and 10 of the Act, and the question which would arise for consideration would be whether after lapse of such a long period, the acquisition proceedings should not result in abandonment of the acquisition proceedings, and another question which would arise is whether after acquisition has been completed and awards has been given in respect of some land out of the land was mentioned in a particular declaration under section 6 of the Act, could another award be made in respect of the remaining land mentioned in section 6 of the declaration. Stop. In nutshell, the question would arise as to whether more than award is contemplated by the law in respect of the land, subject mailer of one declaration issued under section 6 of the Act. Stop para. Another question which was of importance which arises in some of the cases was interpretation of section 55 of the Delhi Development Authority Act as to whether giving of a notice, as required by section 85 of the Act, and omission of the authorities to complete the acquisition proceedings would or would not result in abandonment of land in respect of which section 55 of the Act is applicable. Stop. After mentioning these important questions of law arising in a bunch of cases, the division bench directed that all these petitions be heard by a full bench, and in this way, the full bench was constituted. Stop. The Supreme Court has given its decision in respect of the special leave petition admitted by it, and also in respect of certain writ petitions directly entertained by the Supreme Court. Stop.